Apart from clarifying masks like bentonite clay, there are other masks that you can use to completely cleanse your hair and remove excess product buildup. If every time you finish washing your hair, your scalp still feels like there is product on it, then it may be time to exfoliate your scalp. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to be making a very simple exfoliating hair mask, which is a gentle but effective treatment that helps remove product buildup, dead skin cells, and dandruff from the scalp. Our ingredients are very simple and easy to find. This is honey. On the right over there, I have some sugar, and on the left, I have some olive oil. Those are all the ingredients I'm going to be using to prepare this scrub today. Something you need to understand is just as you exfoliate your skin, sometimes you also need to exfoliate your scalp to really get rid of the dead skin cells and the excess product buildup. So the same way that you make Ayurvedic masks and you use things like bentonite clay masks, that's the same way that you use this sugar scrub. And I want to say that you only need to apply this sugar scrub to your scalp. No need to rub it all over the body of your hair. Simply apply it to your scalp. Massage your scalp in circular motions for some minutes. Leave it on for some minutes and then go and rinse it out of your hair. For the benefits of this mask, the sugar acts as a natural exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells, dandruff, and excess product buildup from the scalp. This exfoliation process helps to clear the clogged hair follicles and allow the scalp room to breathe, which in turn makes room for a healthier environment for the hair to grow. Another benefit of this scrub is that it helps to boost blood flow circulation throughout the scalp. When you apply a scrub like this and you have to massage your scalp gently, in doing this, more nutrients and oxygen are delivered to the scalp, which allows room for healthier hair growth, thicker follicles that don't break over time. A third benefit is that this scrub helps to soothe and heal the scalp, especially if it's inflamed. Honey has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and adding this to the scrub helps to soothe itchiness and scalp irritation. All in all, a clean, balanced, and hydrated scalp is what makes room for healthy hair growth. And if you struggle with scalp that is constantly oversaturated with product even after you wash your hair, then you will need to exfoliate that scalp. So if you're not doing a bentonite clay mask to cleanse your scalp and purify your hair, then you can definitely do a sugar scrub like this and it will get the job done instantly. And please be mindful, if you use this scrub the first time and you feel like your scalp does not respond to it in a good manner, you can discontinue and try something else. It's not compulsory that you use all these DIY home remedies. So be mindful, be vigilant, and observe how your hair and your scalp respond to these treatments so that you know whether you want to continue using them next time or you want to try something else that will be more effective and better suited for you. And that's it for this scalp scrub. If you'll be willing to try this, or if you've tried this before, you can leave a comment down below. Or if you have any questions about the scrub, also leave a comment down below. Feel free to check out the rest of the videos on my channel if you need help with your hair care. Really quickly, if you missed the April cohort of my 30-day hair growth workshop, you can now sign up for the May cohort. Our April cohort has started and my students are already in class and they are working nicely to get their hair journey to the place they want it to be. But if you missed that cohort, you can definitely sign up for May. Make sure you don't miss it. We are going to have one entire month before the cohort of May starts. May cohort is going to begin on the 1st of May and is going to run for the entire month of May. I'm doing these hair growth challenges in cohorts now so that we can work together to ensure that you get your hair to the place that you want it to be. I'm going to leave the link in the description box It includes all of the information you need to know about the 30-day hair growth challenge. This is the texture of our scrub. If you're wondering whether you must use white sugar for this, you can also use brown sugar. But if you use brown sugar, then you don't necessarily have to add honey. Honey is a humectant, meaning it helps to pull in moisture into the hair. And other replacements for honey include vegetable glycerin and aloe vera. Like clarifying masks, you only need to use this about once a month or when your scalp feels very dirty and clogged. You don't want to overwhelm your scalp. Take note of this. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.